Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how the chat GPT is going to help us for our biotechnology research and also for the biotechnology students. So this is the amazing artificial intelligence tool. Okay, so whatever we ask to chat GPT, it will give you answer. Okay, it will do the research in Google or available research paper. It will take and provide you uh, the, the required content. Okay, so the how now we are going to see how the chat GPT will help us for the biotechnology students. Okay, so the how you can enter the chat GPT. Open chat dot open ai dot come. Okay, after entering into that, it will ask you to log in. So just give your Google account and log in into ChatGPT. Okay, so after entering into that, suppose you want to know about fermentation, ask ChatGPT to give you. Suppose in your question paper, you are a student. In your question paper, there is a question about fermentation. Okay, so you can ask ChatGPT if it is 5 mark question or 10 mark question. You can ask ChatGPT. So give me 10 points about fermentation. So it will provide you. It will give you all the 10 points for the fermentation. You just can go through that, and you can use it for 5 mark or 10 mark answer. So it will be very descriptive, small explanation will be given into that. Okay, still if it is not sufficient, you can just take a topic. Suppose you want to have full idea about alcoholic fermentation. Okay, so you can ask ChatGPT, uh, write 1,000 words about alcoholic fermentation. Okay, so you are getting answer for this. A small introduction will be there. After that, it will explain how the yeast fermentation is happening, how the alcohol is synthesized, beer. So many things are there. So each fermentation is explained in a detailed manner. Okay, you will get a good answer from that. Suppose if you want to make a topic, or if you are getting a essay writing, then you can use this chat GPT for this. In case if you have a lot of question papers, you want to get the answer without referring the books, then you can use chat GPT to get it. Okay, so if you go to Google, it will give a lot of vague answers. You will not get 10 points or 5 points or clear cut explanation, but chat GPT will give you the complete explanation about the things. Okay, so this is how you can use it for the study purpose. Okay, another example also we can see in fermentation. You can see the downstream processes. Okay, so write about downstream process in fermentation. Okay, so it will give you detailed description about the fermentation process, how they are harvesting, how the cell disruption is happening, and after disruption, clarification, filtration, and concentration, purification. So all the steps are given in a detailed way. Suppose if you want to have a good detailed purification methods, then you can ask chat GPT about, give me about 1,000 words for purification or 500 words for purification, or different methods in purification. So you can give different, you can ask in different way, so it will give you answers. And now you can use it for all the biotechnology research in different purposes. Okay, so apart from that, you can also use it for laboratory purpose. Suppose you are doing a DNA experiment, cloning experiment. You want to know how you want to do transformation, bacterial transformation. So you need to get the protocol for that. So just give transformation bacterial. So you have to specify bacterial transformation protocol. So you will get the protocol, detailed protocol. Okay, competent cells, plasmid, and so everything you will get it. How you can do that? Say heat block 42 degrees Celsius for 30 seconds. So all those things it will give clearly. So you can use all the methods for your laboratory purpose. Suppose you want to purify a plasmid, give protocol for the protocol for plasmid purification. So you will get the plasmid purification protocol. Okay, so this is how you can use ChatGPT for your laboratory things. Okay, so after this, for the research student, even this can be used for the research purpose also. If you want to have the protein purification methods, you can ask specifically how I can purify a protein using columns, or specifically you can give hashtag protein how we can purify, or GST protein purification. Specifically you can ask. So it will give all the methods how to purify the protein. Okay, so in its own way. Okay, so after that, suppose you need to write a research topic. Okay, you want to give research topic to your classroom. So to simplify that, I have already typed it. So what I am asking is, so I want a research topic in a particular this is the topic given, and I am a student of masters. I need advanced research topic. So you can change the topic name, okay, here, and just I copy and paste. You can type it here if you know, so it will give you. Okay, so after I asked about mRNA vaccine for COVID, so it is giving a detailed review, and I am also asking literatures, so references. So it will also give us references, detailed what are the references we need, those kind of things it will give. Okay, so once after this, suppose if this is not sufficient, so what I am asking is, this is too summarized. Okay, very summarized, very less we have content, and retype the same document but more detailed way. So that I am asking. Okay, so what I am doing is, I'm just putting it here. So it is giving the comprehensive research proposal. Okay, so this research proposal you can use it for your masters or PhD, or if you are going to abroad, you can use it for that. Okay, so it will give you a detailed proposal for that. See how easily it is making, and there won't be any plagiarism. If you want to check plagiarism, you can go into plagiarism website and you can check it. Okay, so we already told the ChatGPT take care of the plagiarism, so it is taking care of that. So there won't be any copy from the internet. Okay, it is writing its own way. Okay, if it is not sufficient, we can ask continue. So continue means it will give more, yeah, little more detailed description. Okay, see, lot of things are coming into that. Once after finishing that, suppose for the same document you want to add more citations and references, that also you can ask from ChatGPT. Okay, so that I am asking right now. So it is giving detailed comprehensive proposal for that. Okay, so with more references, it is writing the proposal. Okay, this proposal you can use it for your any kind of purpose. Just copy and paste in a word file, word format, and it is very amazing to have someone is writing a proposal for you. So it is very helpful for anyone. So only thing you have to find the research proposal. That also, for that also you can ask ChatGPT give us some 10 best research proposals, the proposal topics in biotechnology. So it will give you. Okay. So after that, if you want to check, so you also need literature review. So you can ask ChatGPT, give me some literature review, two-page literature review for the particular proposal. Okay. So you will get the literature review for that particular proposal. Okay. So it is giving. So this literature review you can add into the proposal. Okay. So very amazing. See, it is all making literature review for that. So this you can include into their proposal. Okay. So after that, so there are so many uses. Okay, and after that, suppose there is another more AI called Chat PDF. Chat PDF. Okay, so this will give you, so suppose you have a research topic, and you can't read everything. Okay, it is very big and you can't read everything. What you have to do is you have to download. This is the research proposal I have downloaded for the things, just for the example. So you can just download from the NCBA site, and you can open this chat PDF and just put this, drop this research uh, literature. Okay, so it is asking initially first time it is free. Okay, so limit per day, one day 2 PDFs you can use, and this you can try. Okay, this is very helpful for reviewing the literatures, and it will give a nice explanation. And suppose summary you want, it will give you the summary also, summary for the particular literature. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.